find yourself ruminating on the thoughts, on the events or people in your past again and again? Do you find yourself thinking about your job, about your boss, about your ex, or about your friends, about your colleagues, about your family? Also about all the things. I have to do grocery shopping. I have to go fill the gas in my car. There is some fuel missing. I have to also work on the grocery list in my kitchen. I have to work on my household chores. Do you constantly think about all those things? Do you constantly think about what needs to be done today, what needs to be done tomorrow, what needs to be done after a few days, next week, next month, after few years? How should my life look like when I become old? So are you constantly into that planning mode, thinking about future? Either you're thinking about future or you're thinking about the past, and your thoughts are moving from past to future, constantly in pendulum. Sometimes you are there in the past, sometimes you are there in the future, and you wonder, why does my mind doesn't stop thinking? Because you have got yourself into excessive thinking habit. This is a habit. Our brain has multiple neurons in it. Every neuron is connected to 10,000 other neurons. And then those neurons are again connected to every 10,000 other neurons. In this way, when we think about a single thought, the thought creates a pattern in our brain. And when we think about those things again and again, the pattern that is formed, an algorithm that is formed in our brain, becomes strengthened and strengthened and strengthened. And this is how the neural network in our brain strengthens so much that it becomes difficult for us to come out of that habit. So habit is nothing but the strong neural network path that has been formed in our brain. And to inculcate a new habit, we need to break the old habits. Breaking the old habit would mean breaking the neural network that has been formed over so many years by thinking about the same things or doing same things again and again. So this is how the habits are made or habits are broken. Now your habit of excessive thinking comes from the constant chatter of mind. So how do you do that? How do you work on that neural network? Well, first thing is you let the thought come, and then you ask the thought to stop. For example, let us do an exercise. Let me say a box. When I say a box, can you imagine a box? Now I ask you to move the box aside by your mind. Can you see the box moving aside? Now I ask you, keep the box down. Did you keep the box down? Maybe the box was down already, yet you did the action. You picked it up and again you kept it down. Now when I say, let the box go up in the air, a little higher, a little higher. Is the box moving now up in the air? Did you see? Our mind has the power of moving the box. Similarly, our mind has this power of stopping the thoughts or allowing the thoughts to come and keep on coming again and again. It is we who allow, it is we who give our mind permission to think every single thing that the mind is thinking, unconsciously or consciously. Now, if you want to break this habit of excessive thinking so that you can be in present and practice mindfulness in your present life, be more present in the moment, and help yourself in making better decisions in life, then you get into this habit of saying stop. The moment any thought comes in your mind, ask the thought to stop, and then visualize two boxes in front of you. Name the boxes in big letters: in control and out of control. In one box, there should go all the thoughts where you can have control over them. And in one box, let all the thoughts go where you do not have any control over them. Like suppose your thought goes back to an event where you did something wrong. Now, can you do something about it right now? Is it in your control? If you can do it, then put that thought in a controlled box. If you can't do anything about it, then put it into out of control box. Similarly, if you're thinking about something future, that I want XYZ car, can you do something about it? Yes, I can do. Then put that I want XYZ car thought into the thoughts that can be controlled. And if you can't do anything about it as of now, you need to earn some more money to make a house first, make your living, and pay your children's fees. And then maybe you might be thinking that, yes, then going ahead, I'll buy my dream car. Then right now, if it is not in your control, then keep it in out of control box. In this way, go on putting your thoughts, sorting into what is in your control and what is not in your control. Soon you will find yourself that you have run out of your thoughts. You are almost thinking about many thoughts which are either not in your control, you are not able to do anything about it, and that's why they were coming back again and again with a hope that you will give them some solution. Now those thoughts found a place in that box, and now those thoughts will not trouble you. This is how you remain in present. You remain calm, you remain peaceful, you remain content, and you always know what things you can do and what things you cannot do. What are the things that are in your control and what are the things that are not in your control? This way you also know which thought needs the maximum focus, maximum energy, and maximum time from your end. Like for me, right now, creating this video was a priority. And that's how I have kept all the thoughts aside. And I'm working on only this one thought of creating this video for you of how to break the habit of excessive thinking. So right now, I'm in present and I am mindful about creating this video, and I'm thinking about what more methods I can give you to handle and break this habit of excessive thinking. There are many more methods to be discussed. As of now, I will leave you only with this method of how to stop, think, and reflect over these thoughts. Put the thoughts in different boxes, because your mind has the power of moving a box. If you can move a box, you can also remove the thought and put it in a box and keep it aside. For now, let us learn this. In next video, we will learn how to actually stop this habit of excessive thinking further in different method. Till then, I am Vidya Ragotra, mother of two little girls, wife to an army officer, a software engineer turned NLP master practitioner, counselor, therapist, and a life coach, turned entrepreneur, founder of Parivartan Transforming Lives, now working as a chief relationship coach, helping women to become certified counselors and mindset coaches. I also help people to overcome anxiety, depression, hurt, sadness, guilt, and annoyance, rage, revenge, loneliness, all the unpleasant emotions, and take them to a journey of love, hope, joy, peace, freedom, independence, harmony, health, happiness, contentness, fulfillment, satisfaction. If you really want to get on this train of fulfillment, then do book a call with me and we will get on one-on-one calls and talk and try to resolve your problem of overthinking. Any other issues, our doors are always open. We are reachable on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as on WhatsApp. All the links are given below in the description. All you need to do is you need to be willing to bring a change in your life, because we are Parivartan Transforming Lives. We focus on permanent transformation of people. Thank you so much. Take care.